Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to prevent receiving and preventing strange people from sending me friend requests via Facebook. The method is very simple. All you have to do and follow the steps explained in this video before broadcasting in the explanation. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share the video. Let us move on to the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to your Facebook. What is that? Click on your profile icon. Then you will find here the settings and privacy. Click on it. After that, click on the settings and then go down. Here you will search or you will find the way for people to find you and communicate with you. Click on it. After that, here you will find who can send you friend requests. Click on it. After that, my friend, here you choose friends of friends so that anyone who is not among your friends cannot send you friend requests. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. For inquiries, any problems or suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.